Crypto space, very dynamic space, I tell you. Very dynamic. In fact, it's so dynamic that something that was relevant 2 weeks ago might be irrelevant now. Not sure if you remember, 2 weeks ago, a lot intense conversations about this new greatest asset in the modern history. Million token. Now we are 2 weeks later. No one talk about this. There's few people talking about this, the last forgotten, still holding on, shouting the greatest asset. And I made the video 2 weeks ago and I say, look, boys and girls, it might not be the greatest asset in the history. Be careful. And I got 8 dislikes because people were like, you don't know, bro. You don't know it. I did my deep research. I know it's the greatest asset in the history of the world. You don't know, man. You gonna stay poor forever while I'm driving the Lambo with the bitches. That's where the comments. That's where the comments. Go fuck yourself. I hope you will die and burn in hell. That wasn't the comment, but there were people who wanted to say it. I know there were people who wanted to say it. Don't pretend they were holding themselves back, being worried that the YouTube removed them or something. Yo, man, you stupid. You stupid. If you would know the only million tokens, replaceable, irreplaceable, fungible, non-fungible, 1 million equal 1 million, you understand, man? You don't know what you're talking about. So there's few examples of the comments, but anyway, it's not about this. I tell you, the trends are so fluid, like this guy videos, the tech lead. Every few days he sell bitcoins. I don't know. You need to understand. I like him. He troll, But it was the 1 week trend with the million token, and it's over. I mean, it's still holding. It's still holding, but I heard it's going to be dip here and pump here. Pump here. It's no pumping. I cheer for you. I don't want you to lose money. But he's not. This is the problem, you see. People dislike because people bought this token and they no pump, so they don't like him anymore. And this is danger area. This is danger area. So today I'm going to talk about some crypto projects, again about crypto space. But you need to know, I'm not the trading guy. I'm not the advisory. I'm not advising you on anything, because all that I am is I'm just the greatest philosopher in the modern history, the greatest philosophical mind in this modern history. There's not many that bright minds as mine. You see, I was watching this Eric Weinstein and his brother and everyone else. They don't no equal. IQ much lower. Here, much higher. And when I die, I might be the greatest philosopher that ever lived. Maybe I will be put above this Socrates, Aristoteles, maybe above. But anyway, I'm changing the subject because today we talk about central bank decentralization, crypto baby, right? I'm not going to actually talk about this million token, and I'm going to talk about the concerns I have. I want to discuss with you. You see, because some people are very clever in the comments, or some people think they're clever and they're not clever in the comments, like this million token people, right? Bitcoin, very good, positive day. I'm very happy. With the Bitcoin. Ethereum, I'm a little bit less. With Ethereum, I do have my concerns, but I like to check the last 24 hours. What's going on here? And you see, we might spot some good project. We actually, the good, I mean real project, and the shit project. But the good project doesn't mean they will be successful anyway. And I see this Bitcoin Cash ABC, and I'm like, the fuck is this shit? I've seen it yesterday. I forgot to mention, so I open, right? Maybe legit. Maybe some greatest new asset. I'm checking. It's pumping nice, right? Like last time. It gets his momentum now. So I check the website. I don't know what is this. And I look at this website, right? I look at this website. What the hell is this? So this is all I need. It's over, right? I check the website and I quit. No reason to check more. This is it. You saw the page, forget about this, turn it off. There's some good things, and I'm going to talk about the good things that I want to talk, because the Tor chain, not many people know. So the Tor chain is like the cross-chain liquidity provider. Am I correct? Liquidity protocol, not provider. What the hell I'm talking about? I don't like the new website. It's a little bit messy. But they had some issues recently. You know, they were hacked twice, which happened. Some other projects claim that the good projects don't get hacked. The reason why some projects get hacked, because they try to be too fast, right? They try to implement fast because the space changing. But I do believe they might achieve the certain success. So after the hack, someone who got that deep, like amazing for anyone who spotted it, who saw it, and who didn't got fear, because every time there is hack, there is a lot of fear. And I'm speaking about this project because, you know, there is one concern that I already have, because many people say Ethereum is going to outrun Bitcoin, is going to go up, is going to be bigger. But there's one concern, because I remember March, April, even May, there was one issue, and the issue is here, which is called gas. What is gas? This is something you pay when you do transaction on the Ethereum network, and it's even worse when you exchange your tokens on the decentralized exchanges. This gas is much higher. And you see, my concern is, before we got Ethereum 2.0, if it gets really trending, we might get very high fees on the Ethereum network. And this might be okay for ultra wealthy people like me, or the rich institutions, whatever you call it, right? Whatever you call it. But I would not advise you, if you have $1,000, to buy some ERC20 token and exchange it, or buy Ethereum and exchange it, because you don't want to pay $500 for a fee. You would have to do 100% to be even break even. So this is my concern here, and I wanted to address it really. When is Ethereum 2.0? I'm expecting delays. Because delays always happen everywhere. So this is my big concern about Ethereum. So far we get some market volume, but the gas fee is still okay. Probably because the meme coins don't get distraction, and I expect the SafeMoon and this other piece of shit go away as the time passes. Let me see if there is, like, it doesn't have really. I don't think it would actually do exist, and as you can see, it is struggling. So this is something I do expect. You know, this is because this is not the greatest asset. So as we wind off with this meme tokens, we might handle this. We might handle the increase of the volume. But this is why I mentioned like Torchain or others, because before the Ethereum 2.0, people might be choosing to trade on different networks because they will be cheaper. And cheaper, very important to be cheaper, right? So this is the one thing I wanted to address. My concern in the Ethereum network. Tell me, is my concern unreasonable? Am I speaking wrongly about this? Am I not right here? I'm open for the discussion. Very happy for the Bitcoin though. Very happy for the Bitcoin. And there's many projects that are not built on Ethereum, that are very promising, but they're in very early stages. And I was thinking maybe I talk about this, but I think maybe not fair, because you will buy it, right? And I don't want to risk your money. The other thing I wanted to discuss is the discussion that was on my channel in the comments, which is proof how great YouTuber I am, because I read your comments. I actually read your comments. Even if you leave the fucking essay on my channel, I will read it. Sometimes I don't know what to respond. And there was the big discussion. Where is it? Very big discussion. Perry, very bullish. Very bullish. Crypto is a game changer. I agree, but there is really some crazy statements I can read here. It's most similar to gold, which has been the asset foundation for the world for level. Yeah, like we don't know, right? Like I mean, the Bitcoin is pretty scarce, but we still don't know if there will be adoption. Like, I wish for adoption, and it seems like we are getting this. People are very interested into adoption. We settled that it's not good for transactions. Very expensive. No cheap, no good, right? But still, they could be built. It's not very smart network, though. It's not very smart network. So you cannot build smart contracts, which is very important. But as the asset, why is good asset? Because it's very liquid. So, for example, people compare it to gold, but gold is lacking this one feature, right? Because gold, if you want to exchange it quickly and send somewhere, you cannot do it with gold. But with Bitcoin, you can. So this is the argument why the Bitcoin is better. But it's only about this scarcity. But when it comes to scarcity, I don't get this argument, because I don't think Bitcoin is very scarce, because there will be always someone selling it and someone buying. It's scarce because it has this supply of 21 million. But there are things that are much more difficult to get. It could be some super rare gemstones, but we could say, hey, soon we explore the space, so that will not be that rare. But actually getting your hands of something super rare like this, it's much bigger scarcity. So I don't like this argument, like getting the first edition, first print of Catcher in the Rye with signature of J.D. Salinger, that would be much more scarce. So I don't like this argument. I like the argument as the asset that is similar to gold, and it could be also very liquid because it's quickly exchangeable. So that's the thing. So there's very, very intense discussion, boys. Very intense discussion. I'm glad you like to discuss things over here with me. And I also want to say, as we don't know, there is many talks. I don't like it because I think you misread my channel, because I see most of the people talk currency. It's cryptocurrency. It's the coin. It's this. But what I'm more interested in here is about solving the issue. It might be overstatement, but many crypto do not solve the issue. Even in the DeFi space, there's DeFi space is very disruptive because it's very easy to disrupt finance, I believe, with crypto. But there could be some other projects, and I heard the words that proof of work is only good for Bitcoin, nowhere else proof of work. But I believe there are the systems or problems to be solved which proof of work could solve. I'm a huge fan of this, Handshake, which is the centralized name system, and it uses proof of work, so it can be used for something completely different. And I do not treat the Handshake as the currency, because I believe people could purchase the names in the US dollars and not even feeling they use the blockchain. So I think the solution for the blockchain to be successful is for people not knowing they even use blockchain. And this is also the issue with DeFi, because as long as people will have to participate in the DeFi, let's go to the Torchain. I hate this page. It's a great project, but the page is absolutely fucking nonsense. You crypto people, get yourself some nice designers. Because I don't know who you hire. Seriously here. I'm not hating on you, but your designer is fucking retard. I had the call with the person from the company, Namebase. Sleek, nice. I'm not fan maybe of the, but it's nice, readable. Nice color, pleasant for the eye. You guys need to start hiring what the fuck I'm trying to say? Fucking retard. You guys need to start hiring better designers. So here is my concerns that I'm addressing to you. It's open discussion with you as well. So let's discuss. It's a beautiful day. I'm going for a bike with my niece later. I'm also going to do some retouching job because I tell you guys, in last year I was not working. I got so lazy. So my income stream is less. I need to do some work. I can't motivate myself. So that's it. Let's talk. I want to be philosopher with you. I want to talk of different things. So we have encouragement in the market. That's good. I'm happy for you. And for now, till the next time.